Today, y'all, we're gonna be installing the carbon fiber fenders. Hey, how much you get this for, bro?
1,000.
Damn, boy. $1,000. All right. Side one, bro. Woo. Wee. Alright, bro. Show him. Show him. Alright. Alright, so that's what it looks like. But I'm replacing the fender that's wrapped by the carbon fiber. This is the real carbon fiber. Alright, so first we're just taking off the license plate relocator right here. And then we're about to take off the bumper. There's a bunch of clips up here. There's a lot of videos out there to show you how to do that, so we're just gonna skip right through that. After that, we're gonna be taking off the side skirts right here. Just a bunch of clips down here, and Phillips right here, just to be able to take that out. And then we're gonna be hitting the fenders. Hey, you about to take off the wrap on this? Yeah, so you see the wrap is peeling. So my boy decided to get the real carbon fiber. If you don't got no magnet trace or anything like that, don't lose your clips. I'm using like a face, so I mean it works. That's it. Just make sure you take off the clips underneath. Right here.
Okay, that's not helping.
Alright, so there's 4 total underneath here. There's one right there, one right there, one right there, and one over there. You just use a flathead, right?
Yeah.
Alright, just use a flathead and it'll come off. That's gonna be the only thing holding it besides the little retention clips that they have right here. Alright, while Joseph is working on the side skirts, I'm just gonna start taking off the headlights. I'm already taking off the bolt right here, 10 mil. Another 10 mil right here, and then there should be another 10 mil right here, and then there's one right all the way in there, so I'm gonna long extension to get there, right there. Alright, so forgot to mention earlier, like right here, there's a 10 mil bolt right there. Just loosen that up so you can get to this 10 mil bolt right there. That's for the fenders. So holding this bracket right here. While Joseph is finishing up on that side, I'm gonna start working on this fender right here. Don't forget to loosen up your headlight. You don't have to take it out all the way, like this one right here. It's just a little bit loose. Make sure you don't fall. So there's gonna be one bolt right here, right there. There's gonna be one bolt right there. That's gonna be inside the door. One bolt behind the side skirt right here. There's gonna be another bolt up here, right there. And right here, and then there should be one last one down here. You should be able to take the whole fender out.
This one?
Where?
Under this clip and behind this.
Oh yeah, this is a retention clip.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Y'all heard the man. Alright, that's it right there. Ready to go back on there. Let's get it. Yeah. Another reminder, make sure to transfer this little piece right here from the stock fender. So this is what holds your bumper in. We ran into some fitment issues on the back here where it has the clips. So if you have a file handy, you know, these are great. Alright, don't forget the clips on the back. There's one more in the back. There's one more in the back, bro. There's one more in there. One more clip in the back. Yeah! Fender off, baby. Yeah, we just gotta remove this one again.
This one. And we use this.
Yep.
Yeah, over.
These two. This clip right here, this clip, and then this whole piece will come off right here. All that. Alright, so just quick tip. There's gonna be clips right here, all the way around there. So we recommend that you transfer it to the side skirt. So instead of having to slide it forward, you can just pretty much click it in when you install it. Hey, look who decided to show. Hey, don't run over the fenders, bro. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Alright, so the build is done. As you can see, my boys right here. Shout out to Joseph for letting me work on this car. Man, real carbon fiber. One issue though is there's like a fitment issues on both sides, so just beware when y'all cop this one. You're gonna have to like drill some holes and file some to make stuff fit. But overall, it looks nice. It's good. Alright.
Hey, what's up, guys? So here's our car group. Follow distinctive. And we got STI right there and a Unported right there.
Alright. Follow us for more. Peace.